Your neighborhood mechanic here. We have today a 2013 Ford F150 3.5 liters EcoBoost. We have a problem of non-starting. You put the key in the ignition and the car won't start. You can see that we have two keys. We have one key and we have the second key. Car won't start, and it has a message for ignition fault. So it's a common problem with these Fords. You go to the passenger side, you open up the kick panel covers. There's a little circuit board with relays and fuses, maybe little computers there and connections. So one of those connectors get disconnected over time. People keep kicking over the cover and eventually it breaks the plastic. Let me walk over to the other side so I can show you. By the way, this one is an FX2. You come over to the passenger side, get to this panel, and you can see this connector gets loose. Watch this. It wasn't even fastened. So what we're gonna do, it's an easy fix. You just plug it back in and you will hear things clicking in place. Hold on one second. There it is. Make sure you put tape or you cover it with something more protective than the regular cover. And we're gonna try the key one more time. Truck started. All right. This is an easy fix anybody can do. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Your neighborhood mechanic here.